Hey web creators, you've probably seen these pop-ups on websites everywhere. Yep, we're talking about cookie consent banners. They're not just legal mumbo-jumbo. They actually build trust with your users. Let's see how you can add one to your WordPress site. Ready? Let's explore. If you've visited any EU-based sites, or even sites targeting EU visitors, you've likely seen those little accept cookies banners. Annoying? Maybe, but super important? Absolutely. Without it, you risk some serious fines. And honestly, respecting your users' privacy just feels good. So, today we're going to explore how to set one up using the Complianz plugin. Let's dive in. First, let's see why use a cookie consent banner. So, why should you care about a cookie consent banner? Well, for starters, it's the law in many places. GDPR in Europe, CCPA in California. There are privacy regulations you can't ignore. Skip it and you're risking big fines. Plus, it shows your visitors that you respect their privacy. You're giving them control over what data they share with you. And that's huge. Now let's explore how to choose the right plugin. There are a lot of options, but Complianz stands out. Why? Because it's easy to use, covers all the major laws like GDPR and CCPA, and won't slow down your site. Sounds good, right? Alright, let's see how to install this plugin. Head to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, and then add New. Type in Complianz, hit Install, and activate it. Simple as that. Let's move on. Now, we will configuring our cookie consent banner. Once it's activated, you'll find Complianz under your settings. The best part? The plugin actually walks you through the whole process. You can configure everything based on your legal needs, whether it's for GDPR, CCPA, or both. Now, let's see how to customize your banner. Complianz lets you tweak the design, colors, and text to match your site perfectly. You can make it blend in so it feels like a natural part of your site rather than something you just slapped on. Once you've set it up, it's time to test. Check how the banner looks on mobile, tablet, desktop, and different browsers. Let's make sure it's smooth and easy to interact with, no matter where your visitors are coming from. So, here's a tip for you. Privacy laws change all the time, and staying compliant can be a headache. But Complianz updates regularly to keep you in the clear. So let's explore the settings to ensure you're always up to date. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've added a cookie consent banner to your WordPress site. You're not only covering your legal bases, but you're also giving your users control over their data. Easy, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more WordPress tips and hit the bell to stay in the loop. Have questions? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for staying with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.